Yes, this bad boy right here, I've been long awaited this. Actually, I've been wanting this for about 2 years, 3 years now, but because I had a decent computer, I didn't bother to force the issue. But my so-called decent computer, which I've had for a few years, starting to show signs of wear and tear. So before the wear comes to a tear, I ordered this bad boy right here. So credits to my wife and my son, who also contributed towards the purchase of this for my 50th. This year I'll be celebrating 50, so you can call it a birthday present that came a little bit early. Also, credits to my Patreon contributors. Doesn't matter how small it is, what I do, I reserve you guys' contribution and I put it towards anything that I'm going to use towards my YouTube. So even though I use this in, even though I'm going to be using this in my day-to-day business life, it also plays a part in my YouTube. So thank you guys. So you guys might be wondering, what is it? The clickbait, the thumbnail, I already gave it away. Either way, just act surprised when I open the box. Okay, it's a very weird box, strange looking. I'm gonna risk it and put it this way. So, here we go. All right. Yeah. Go.